Hello, students. This is Honoria Starbuck, wishing you a happy Shark Week. Are you afraid of learning about mindfulness? Maybe you think it's childish. Let's look into mindfulness to see if you will find it useful. Learning about how to use mindfulness in your profession will put you ahead. When you use professional vocabulary in a thoughtful and positive manner, your team will thrive and be noticed by others. Here's the vocabulary of mindfulness. You will set a standard of intelligent reflection and actions when you wrap mindfulness into your daily approach to goals, problems, and collaboration. What is mindfulness? You are mindful when you maintain a non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts, emotions, or experiences. Observe your own thoughts and your feelings. Observe, watch, see, detect, witness. Be conscious of what you are thinking and seeing. Analyze mindfully, impartially, with curiosity, without jumping to conclusions. Interpret is to decode the situation. Your interpretation will allow you to respond with mindful actions. After you have completed your project and learned a few lessons, it's time for a post-mortem. A mindful professional post-mortem leads to appreciating the lessons you've learned and implementing more effective strategies in the future. And reflection is part of the process. It can happen anytime. Take a break and reflect on your own state, analyze the issues, and work out solutions. This is your remember level of mindfulness. Observe, analyze, interpret, postmortem, and reflect are your vocabulary terms. And I wish you a very mindful Shark Week.